What's up, YouTube? I'm finally back. It's been what, like 3-4 years since I posted a video, but I wasn't motivated to do videos no more. But now I'm finally doing something in life that I can make a lot of content with, that I enjoy doing. I got my CDL now, so I'm gonna be giving y'all a lot of trucking content, like daily vlogs, picking up loads, dropping off loads, or just what my regular day of driving consistent of. But yeah, I'm gonna still have the car content and stuff for y'all, but it's gonna be mostly truck content because that's what I'm gonna be doing most of the time. But like on my free days, like really in the summertime, that's when we gonna have the car content. But unless I'm with one of my friends or something, they got their cars out. So shout out to my boy Abe. He just got him a Hellcat not that long ago. I think he done did a little fender bender already at a little meet, but some slight. So I'm gonna bring that content to the channel for y'all soon too. But hopefully we don't get no snow. But yeah, but today is December 31st. It's gonna be New Year's. And it's actually 6:09 in the morning. It's my off day, but I'm coming in to move. So I gotta go move some trailers around for the company I work for. I ain't gonna tell y'all the company I work for yet, but it's a solid company. I got plugged in. I've been building a relationship with my manager. You know, they pretty solid over here. They treat me good. They give me the hours I need, and I'm also I'm local. I don't have to start over with a road. My first job is local, so I'm blessed to have a local job for my first job. And I come home every night. So, you know, drive a day cab. But yeah, they got me moving around some trailers this morning, so that's what I'm on the way to go do now. So when I get there, I cut the camera back on, show y'all my truck. My bad, y'all. Show y'all my truck, do my pre-trip, you know. I'm supposed to be meeting my boy Chris up here. He moving trailers with me today. That's another fella I met working here. He pretty solid too, you know. But yeah, I'm supposed to be meeting Chris up here today. He moving trailers with me, so I cut the camera back on. I get up here, meet up here with him. We do our pre-trip on our truck and stuff, and then see what trailers we finna go pick. I think it's like pick up our trailers from we got some trailers at University Park. I think some of them got to go to Wisconsin, Illinois. Yeah, I think some of them got to go to Bolingbrook, Illinois. But we only gonna be able to move like probably do two trailers each, one Bolingbrook, one Wisconsin. You know. So we gonna see how it go. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. So I'm gonna let y'all cut the camera back on when I get to the truck. And yeah, I'm driving, by the way. It's raining, but I had to start this video for y'all because I'm like, I could have waited till New Year's, but it's like I could have been started, but I've been procrastinating for so long, so go and get that out the way now. But yeah. Alright, YouTube, I done made it to the truck. I had to stop and grab me one of these. Got me an International. And it's low key, this a brand new truck. They just got this truck. Probably the second person to drive it. So I'm gonna do my pre-trip inspection. I'm waiting on my boy Chris to pop up still. He ain't got here yet. I'm waiting on him to come. Bro, they still got the plastic on the seats, bro. Do my pre-trip real quick. Hold on, y'all. He said they got a kill switch over here under the seats somewhere. My bad, YouTube. I had to cut the video. I had to call my boy Chris because the damn truck got a switch on, so cut the switch on. Now we can see inside the truck. Still plastic seats in here. Everything's still new. Truck only got 2,000 miles on it. Shit, my car ain't even got that. Guess what? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some stop to get some gas. Some heat going in here. Some windshield wipers on. Hazards. Y'all gotta bear with me, it's loud, and I gotta use one hand, so pop my hood. Using one hand, y'all, so. All my fluids good. Show my belt good. It's a brand new truck, so it should be nothing wrong with it. My brake, nothing leaking. Check this out. Tires good, lights, here. Doors up, sleeve. Brand new tires. Fifth wheel just got greased on it. Tail. My hood down, take my front lights, I'm good. Lock my other side down. Let's get in the inside. I'm tired of getting rained on. All that. Get some heat going in here. Got my gloves. They got the new charge port inside the new truck, so I can charge my phone up. iPhone 16 plug. Gloves and keep my headset right here. Man. Alright, YouTube, so that's really how I do my pre-trip every day. I check the oil every now and then, but this is a brand new truck, so I didn't really check the oil. Just my seat. That's how I do that. So now I did my pre-trip on my truck. I'm gonna pull over here and wait on Chris. I'm gonna pull over here and wait on Chris, cause that's what I'm waiting on. He got to pre-trip his truck. His truck actually on the charger. My truck ain't had to be on the charger because I got a kill switch on it, so I ain't have to put it on the charger. But we're gonna pull over here where Chris at, and when he get by his truck, pre-trip his truck, then I'll cut the camera back on. Alright, so we at the branch and we looking for our trailer, so he gotta grab that one. And I'm gonna grab this one, take this one to Wisconsin. So I'm gonna hook up to it and we gonna hit the road. Do my check and make sure it's empty, cause that's what we moving around. We just getting these empties out the way. Make sure these tires good. Make sure no tag, no seal on them, so that's how you know it's empty. Cause the load ones got seals on them. Alright, we all good. I can go on bag back and connect to it. I'm trying to find a good view for y'all so y'all can see me connect to it though. YouTube, we done made it to the fucking place, the premiere, and we think they closed. And shit, got my truck trailer right here. We done came all the way up this damn hill. Couldn't zoom in, but Chris said they closed. We done just drove all the way out here for them to be closed, bro. So this seems like there's gonna be a short work day, cause if they close, our other place closed. I'm vlogging too.
Thursday.
Damn.
Yeah. So they close. Bolingbrook gotta be closed.
Yeah, they got to. Damn, I'm trying to see how the fuck we finna get up out of here now.
Bag up.
All right, turn up in there and then.
Yeah, you probably busting you once you get in that gravel though. Yeah. Probably, damn.
Peg back and then busting you in this gravel right here. Right here in this open area.
You can probably bend that way and then come back and
I gotta back this bitch all the way back just to come do a U-turn right here though.
yeah, or you can go straight back and then bust you.
Alright, I feel like I can go back. Listen, I'm finna show y'all. But yeah, you can bag this bitch back and then just do a U-turn right here. Yeah. That's crazy though. We done came. So what the fuck? They probably everything probably closed though. Yeah. Yeah, I could bag back and then do a U-turn right here. We should be good. Yeah. This is where we at. Bag back right here. Do a U-turn right here. But this is a good ass view though, y'all. Look at this shit. You finna call him though and see what he say?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him back.
Alright, call him, but then call me real quick and let me know what he say. Cause we probably drop these bitches off and then this day gonna be over with.
Over with.
Yeah, cause if they ain't open, nobody else open. Alright. They gotta be closed. Alright, call me and tell me what he say. Try to fix this ABS light because inside the truck. I'm gonna show y'all my damn ABS light on, but that only do that when the cord be tweaking. See my ABS light over there? But they ain't, my lights on, it ain't blinking. I mean they on, but they ain't glitching or nothing. Plug it out a little bit. You see. I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back up. Nah. It's still on, but oh well. Oh man. Now we stuck here. But shit, I'll let y'all know if when we go back. We probably have to drop this trailers back off at the plant. And I might be the end of the work day, but shit. I'm gonna let y'all know. Just a little smooth little day. Shit, it's New Year's Eve, so it really ain't too much could really be going on right now. Oh, I might have to I was gonna stop and fill this truck up before I take it back, but fuck it, it's on half. I might just leave it like this. But all right, y'all. So boss said they closed, so all right, they over with. Still gonna pay us, but I dropped this trailer right here. See what I'm working with. Could have had him record me park it in, but shit, we ain't got no spot to put his trailer, so we got to take that back to the plant because he can't put that in no door. These are just empty spots. So shit, I'm gonna go and drop my trailer and shit, that's gonna be it. What happened? Good? What? Huh? Alright, I'm gonna call you. Alright, y'all, so that's it for the rest of the day.